Hi Michael, let's get started. Right, so this is a pet clinic system I have. It has a backend system and a front-end system built out. I want to try add a new search functionality to the pet owners listing. So let me start by typing my prompt here, right? So let's see, add a pet owner name search functionality to the pet owners page. Maybe we can make this pet clinic search a bit more complex, right? Because maybe this planning mode doesn't ask us much questions. So maybe I can say stuff like I want like debounce the search for 2 seconds, and maybe also make it like the search should be lenient and case insensitive, right? So that makes it a bit of a more wildcard search, right? So let's hit it and watch the magic happen, right? So it does work a bit different from the GitHub Copilot experience because right here, right, it's gonna start generating an implementation plan for us to review. Let's review this plan here, right? Down here, right, they created this implementation plan, and we can actually review and add comments to it if we want it to be different, right? So for example, I'm looking at this front end here, right? And I kind of want it to be unit testable because down here, right, it's not very, based on the description, it doesn't look like it's unit testable. So maybe I can say things like consider making the search component on the front end become unit testable in the sense that it should fire or signal the appropriate search events or functions, right? So maybe we can do this and then send it for it to go and redo the plan for us again, right? So this is the very neat part uh, about this review function here. It looks like the new plan has already generated this new part down here, right? It puts in the testable part, right? So maybe we can proceed with this. So right now it's gonna open up the browser and then start pressing stuff.
Nice.
Yeah, so that is part of the manual verification. It's filling up and it's adding in owners, right? Different pet owners. So now it should do eventually it will do the search, right, to test out whether or not this search function that we've added is gonna work. All of this is generated by the LLM itself, right? It's nothing to do with me or anything, right? And it looks like the code has some problems. It's running through the test manual verification, and then realized that there's probably something wrong with the code. Right, so it's gonna try again to ensure that it's not flaky, right? That the issue is not like a flaky DOM issue or things like that, but rather a code problem. So I think at this point it probably realizes that it's a code problem and it's still gonna try to verify again whether or not it's a code problem. So it's refreshing itself, trying to browse the page again. Right, so it's browsing the pet owners. So now it's gonna try to capture screenshots and footage, right, to let's see if it's gonna start doing the search. It's done adding in the record through verification, and then now the bounce has happened. You saw 2 seconds later, as we described in our implementation plan, right? Then 2 seconds, right? So this feature is working, right? So through the manual verification, it's verifying that the feature is working, which is quite amazing here, right? So it's testing through other test cases as well, putting in X to verify that, there's no problems with that, and they figure out like maybe there's when the search is put to empty, the list is not getting refreshed to nothing, right? Okay, so now it managed to figure it out. And it looks kind of correct to me.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It seems like it's working well.
Yeah, it worked well. Right. That was actually pretty cool, wasn't it?
So, okay. And just to summarize, were there any problems that you encountered and did you resolve them?
Yeah. So there's actually a few problems, right? So this is kind of it might be a flaky experience. Like you might not be able to get what you want in a single shot, so you might have to retry it a few times, right? So, like despite me trying out a few times, I was not able to get it up and running, set up the whole project from scratch, right, from nothing, right? And despite its ability to do browser verification, which is a fantastic ability, by the way, its debugging ability is still not that fantastic. It's good, but it's not fantastic, right? Sometimes I get stuck and stuff like that. But overall, when it works, it's pretty amazing. Like the feedback loop between the code, the agent, where it's running and testing out everything for us and writing the code and stuff like that. I feel like it's a very high quality of life way of doing all this agentic workflow.
Yeah, and to be fair, I mean, like Google Anti-Gravity was only released end of 2025, right? So it's pretty good for a product which is only like 2 or 3 months old, right? So I'm pretty sure they will fix all those stability issues very soon.
Yeah. I'm hopeful that they'll resolve it. The brilliant minds at Google will get a lot of these things sorted out.
Yeah,
Yeah, so it's yeah,
excellent.
it's amazing.
Okay, thanks a lot, Florence. So thanks for this demo. Cheers.
Yeah, thank you, Michael. It was awesome, and I hope to do this again sometime soon.